welcome to my channel. So today's video is gonna be an unboxing video and I'm really excited to do it with you guys. So last week I bought a graphic tablet from Huion. I think it is how it is pronounced, I'm not sure. Huion. Anyway, it is Huion Inspiroy H640P. So it is used for drawing, editing photos, and more. But the main reason why I bought this one was for drawing. And this is the first time I'm using this one. I'm actually using a tablet. I used to draw on the cell phone, you know, so I was really scared of, not scared, but I would say worried about not getting used to it or feeling uncomfortable or, you know, just buying it and not using it and spending money for nothing. But after watching several videos making comparison between brands and cost benefit, I found the best option for me was Huion, and yeah, I just bought it and decided to try. So let's do the unboxing together. Now we have to download the application on the Huion website. So let's do it. So we're gonna access Huion website. I'll leave the link below in the description of the video. Yeah, so we scroll down here and we're gonna see download, and we're gonna put right here the model of our tablet, which is H640P. Then we're gonna search, and then here we're gonna see the driver. We're gonna see the programs for Mac right here below if you're using Mac, so you download this one, and for Windows, which are those above. In my case, I will download for Windows. And right here you have the instruction, which you can download in here too in the website. I actually won't download because I already have downloaded it. I already have it on my computer. And you have the beta version, and you also have a previous version, so you may choose the one you want to try. So here I have both of the versions, beta and also the previous version. The one I installed, it was the previous version. So after you install this, we're gonna have the application, which is this one. So here you can see the main interface, and right here you can see the tablet press keys, which you can customize as you please. So it depends on the program you use, so you can just put your hotkeys in here and customize it. It is very simple, it is not difficult. And right here we have the pen buttons where we can also customize, so it is very simple. You can also try the pen pressure right here. We can also customize the level of pressure you want. And then after you do the settings, just press apply. And here you can see the active area of your tablet, which you can also customize. Just make sure after you make the change to press apply and OK. So that's it, guys. It's very simple to customize the keys on the tablet and the pen. And I'll open here Krita for us to try. I want to show you. So as you can see here, depending on how much pressure I put on the pen while I'm drawing, the lines come thinner or thicker, and it just feels like when you are drawing a real paper. So I love this feeling, and it is not that different from the classic way of drawing. So it just feels awesome. I really enjoy it.
So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. And I was really excited to do it with you. This is my first time doing it, and yeah, it's been a week since I first got my tablet, and it's working just fine for me. So if you are considering buying one, or if you have one, please leave a comment below. If you are also having a problem, maybe I can help you. Just leave a comment below. So thank you again so much for watching this. If you like the video, press like and subscribe. That I'm gonna do more videos in the future, you know, sharing what I've been learning and sharing some arts. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon.